Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you would like to insert a video into your PowerPoint presentation to make your PowerPoint presentations more intuitive and more engaging, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is select the actual slide over on the left hand side there where you would like to insert this video. Now what we're going to do is go up to the top of your page. You'll see your ribbon and you're going to tap on insert, and from here you're going to go over to the right hand side and you'll see there's video with a drop down arrow. Now from here you can go ahead and there are three options. So you can use an online video and this will help you lower your file size. So if you select this option, all you have to do is go ahead and type in the URL over here. You will get a preview of your video and you can see that YouTube, SlideShare, Vimeo, Stream, and Flip are all supported formats. What you're going to do when you're done is go ahead and tap on insert. The other way to insert a video on PowerPoint is going to stock videos, and if you just want to use video as a reference or a representation in your PowerPoint presentation, you can go right over here and you can use stock videos. You can now also go in here and you can search for specific types of videos. However, there are tons of videos that come up on the suggested. These are just the popular videos. Now let's say you have a video on your device. You can go ahead again and click on video and say this device. Find the location of the video, double click it, and it will now appear here on your PowerPoint presentation. You can see also that you have your play button, your skip forward and back, as well as a time runner and your volume controls. And there you go. You can now create engaging presentations on PowerPoint. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace.